An oasis of preserved nature, greenery, clean air, and healing waters. In Krapina-Zagorje County, all of your dreams come to life. It's an unforgettable journey through evolution. You have to explore the land beyond the mountain and its historic castles. And you have to visit the Bračak Energy Center, the World Business Angels Investment Forum office. Though a small castle, Bračak is an energy center recognized all around Europe. From January 2019, it is home to the WBAF Croatia office, its first office in the European Union.
I invite the whole community to cooperate with our office in Croatia and to come for the WBNF programs.
Among other activities, the WBAF office in Croatia organized an investment conference, as well as a readiness workshop for startups. In October 2019, Feels Good launched. It's a first venture fund in Croatia and Slovenia, which represents the biggest investment facilitated by the WBAF Croatia office. Meet Grow City, a proud partner of the WBAF Croatia and its CEO, Ante Toni.
WBAF has been extremely helpful for setting a benchmark in comparison to other startups. We've grown from a one-man band idea on a piece of paper to a company that right now has 4 people, and right now we have a fully developed product and we're looking into expanding into global markets.
In the past year, the WBAF Croatia office has supported various projects and the inspiring people behind them.
The WBAF Croatia is an example how the regional level can be the driver of change on the national level in the entrepreneurial ecosystem.
We are extremely proud of our partnership with the Croatian Chamber of Commerce, Trades and Craft. With a successful first year behind us, we cannot wait to see what 2020 brings.